you okay? Are you lost? My daddy said if you get lost, you should ask help from a security personnel.
Irina, who's your friend?
Mommy, I don't know. He's lost eh.
Oh no! Han, kailangan natin siyang tulungan.
Iho, nasaan ang mga magulang mo?
Nahiwalay po kasi ako sa kanila.
Teka ha, maghahanap ako ng guard, papahanap ko yung mga parents mo. Han, maybe you should go to customer service, have his parents paged.
Okay, Iho, what's your last name?
Zamora po.
Zamora. Okay, Irina, dyan ka lang ha. Samahan mo siya.
Sige po. Hi, my name's Irina Isabel Samonte. That's Isabel with a Y. What's your name?
John,
Ang ikli naman ng pangalan mo. Are you alright? You're turning red.
I'm okay.
Don't worry. Your parents will come soon.
I hope so.
Teka lang, ha? Ito, you can have my snack if you want. Baka kasi nagugutom ka na eh.
Thanks.
Gusto mo kantahan kita?
Ha?
Para hindi ka matakot. I sing well, you know.
Iho, nakausap ko na yung guard, ha? He'll take care of you kasi we have to go. May lakad pa kami. Pero iniwan ko sa kanya yung phone number namin, saka kung saan kami nagsistay na hotel. Tatawagan niya kami pag nakita na kayo ng parents mo.
Thank you po.
Walang problema.
Irina, let's go.
Sige po. Bye. Mommy, Daddy, wait lang ha. Here, take this to keep you company. Don't worry, everything's okay. Sige, bye!
Irina! When I grow up, I'll marry you. So wait for me, okay?
Sige, I'll marry you if you find me. Bye, John!
Ate! OMG! Alam mo ba, lilipat na sa school natin si JFK!
JFK? Kaba, patay na yun.
My gosh, ate. You don't know who JFK is? Hello! Ate naman, taga-sang dimension ka ba?
Of course, I know who JFK is. Miss Ingrid Yellen Samonte. He was assassinated November 22, 1963.
Jeez, ate, you're such a geek. Siya ang star player ng St. Lorenzo Academy. He's an athlete slash model slash hottie.
Yay! Enough na ba yan to show my excitement?
Jeez, ate, you're such a geek. Boring and hopeless.
Whatever.
My point is, lilipat na si JFK sa school natin. He is every girl's dream boy. Oh my
Well,
God.
certainly not mine.
Ingrid, tigilan mo na ang ate mo. Alam mo naman wala sa plano yung love life na yan.
Talaga ha, ikaw ha. Dapat tularan mo yung ate mo, hindi yung puro kaartehan. You have to be like your ate, masipag mag-aral.
I have to go, Dad.
Bye,
Bye, Mom.
Princess.
You take care ha.
Thank you.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Wala kang pasalubong sa akin mamaya.
Whatever.
Excuse me, may I have a glass of warm water, please?
Thank you.
Hi, beautiful.
Hindi mo siguro ako yan.
Oh, bakit ayaw mong kumibo?
Ako ba yun?
Do you want my autograph?
Sa nerve.
Ito naman oh, naiiya pa. Sige na, okay lang talaga.
Kapal mo naman eh, no? Ano feeling mo sa sarili mo, artista?
Here's your water.
That's mine.
Hey baby, that's my water.
Sa'yo, alam mo kanina ka pa eh, no?
Ma'am.
Sandali, akala mo kung sino ka?
Ano?
Totoo naman ah!
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sandali nga, hindi pa ako tapos! Eto ha, malunod ka sa tubig.
Ma'am, pwede na po ba ako sumingit?
Sige, ano ba yan?
Ito po yung warm water nyo. Warm, cold. Kay sir po talaga yung tubig na binuhos niya sa kanya. Tsaka ako po yung kinakausap niya kanina, hindi po kayo.
Hello, everyone. This is going to be an exciting year for St. Bernadette Academy. Yeah! Especially for the seniors, okay? Because this is going to be your last year. And so I would like to welcome someone whom I'm sure most of you are already familiar with. Okay? Students, faculty, employees, I am proud to say that this year, the basketball championship will be added to our roster of achievements as we welcome, as St. Bernadette welcomes Mr. John Fitzgerald Kennedy Zamora into our roster of achievers! Yeah!
Hello, everyone! It's an honor to be part of St. Bernadette Academy.
Akala mo naman napakaganda.
And I'm sure you'll have a grand time.
Ang gwapo-gwapo yun. Talino pa.
Sa sentence na matalino na.
Naman. Hindi mo kaya, oh.
Okay, thank you, Mr. JFK. I'm sure marami kang mahaharap na kaibigan dito. Thank you. Okay, thank you, everyone. You may now proceed to your respective classrooms. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Settle down, guys. Come on, settle down. It's okay. Thank you, JFK.
Irina Isabel T. Samonte. So we meet again.
Look, I'm sorry if I thought you needed a bath. Kaya kita nabuhusan ng tubig.
Alam mo, ang taray mo. My intel about you was right. Masungit ka raw, maldita, feeling maganda.
Well, your intel about me was right, except for two things. Una, maganda talaga ako. Pangalawa, I have brains unlike you.
Wow! I like your confidence. And I love confident girls. Alam mo ba, meron akong alam tungkol sa'yo na hindi mo pa alam. You're in love with me. Hindi mo pa nga lang alam.
Dream on, John Fitzgerald Kennedy Zamora.
Dream on.
What? Siya ang makakasama ko sa Inter-School Youth Conference?
That's just what I said, Miss Samonte.
Sir, anong alam ng isang athlete sa...
Wow! Ang harsh naman, Miss Irina Isabel Samonte.
Stop saying my full name.
Sir,
Yes?
sa tingin ko mas masaya ako at mas willing ako i-represent tong school. Especially with Miss Samonte. Sa tingin ko, we'd make a good team.
Good, good, good.
Sir, hindi po ba Student Council President and Vice President ang lagi nagre-represent ng school natin sa youth conference?
Well, nakausap ko si Dave Morelos at okay naman sa kanya.
See? Okay na pala lahat eh. Eh bakit ka pa kumukontra? Are you trying to resist me?
Ew.
Aminin mo na kasi. Crush mo ako, no? Alam mo, hindi kita babasta doon. Aray!
Boy, no?
Ang sakit nun ah.
Nakakaramdam ka rin pala. Kala ko kasi robbery ang balat mo eh.
Sir, are we done here? I have a class pa kasi.
Ate, is it true makakasama mo daw si JFK sa youth conference?
Who's JFK?
Ay, naku, Mami. Sobrang yabang na transfer sa school.
Hindi kaya. Mabait kaya si JFK. Ang friendly-friendly niya nga eh. Tapos, Mami, alam mo ba? Hindi lang siya gwapo, matalino pa. Siya din ang star player ng basketball.
Wow, smart
Yeah.
and an athlete.
Dad, pwede na bang mag-boyfriend si ate?
Bakit? Balak mo namang mag-boyfriend, Irina?
No, Dad. Wala po yun sa plano ko, no? Ito na si Ingrid ko noon pinagsasabi.
Fine.
Kayong dalawa, ha? Mga bata pa kayo. Wala munang boyfriend. Lalo na ikaw, Irina. You have a bright future ahead of you. Huwag mong ipagpapalit yun sa pakikipag-boyfriend lang.
Iwasan mo na yung mag-aral ng mabuti. Baka naman malampasan mo na si Einstein.
Ikaw talaga, Bless.
Huwag mo sabihin mo, review ka,
Pare,
girl.
oh, lumipat ka daw sa school.
Siyempre.
Buti nandito ka sa conference. Oo naman. Kamusta? Ayos lang, tol.
Mga terms, mga...
Halika, dito tayo, tabi tayo.
Bakit?
Halika na, magre-review tayo.
Girl, sure ka? Diyan ka lang?
Okay lang, sige. Dito na muna ako.
Ayaw iwan ng boyfriend.
Ew!
Kailangan food at drinks, oh. Just let me know kung gusto mong kumain.
Di ko maintindihan kung bakit ganito. Desidido na ako't ayoko sa'yo. Kahit ano pa mang gawin mo, di ka kasama sa mga plano. I won't be distracted, ano mang ipilit ng puso. Di panatag ang aking puso.
Irina! When I grow up, I'll marry you. So wait for me, okay?
Sige, I'll marry you. If you find me. Sige, bye, John!
And now that I found you, Irina Isabel Samonte, I'll do everything to make you fall for me.
Ikaw na ba? Ikaw na ba? Ikaw na ba talaga?
Oh my God, ano ka ba?
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Anong nangyari? Eh, nakayakap ka kaya sa akin. Grabe ka maka-chancing, ha?
Ikaw kayo nakayakap sa akin.
Fred!
Fred, dali ka na. Tama na, honey. Nandito na tayo.
Oh, ba, isa ka pa, Blessy, ha?
Sige
Excuse
na.
me, ha?
Hi, good
Dadaan.
morning. Good morning. Alis na kami. Tara na. Nandito na tayo.
OMG!
Guess kung sino nandito sa conference na to. Guess.
Sino ba? Si Lee Min Ho?
Hindi! Ang pinakagwapo at pinakabatang profesor na nakilala ko.
Si Professor Harold Canlas.
Galing mo, girl.
At ayun siya!
Hindi ka crush mo yan dati.
Guys, ano ba kayo? Grabe, ah.
Alam mo, kayo lang yung kinikilig. Etong si Ice, hindi nga, oh. Hindi nyo siya gayahin.
Ikaw, Ice, ha? Kayo na raw ni JFK.
Kayo na pala eh.
Paano po? Ang sweet-sweet niyo po sa bus kanina.
Pati ba naman ikaw, Blessy?
Bakit naman, Ice? Okay naman si JFK, ah.
Oo nga.
Okay ba yan? Hindi ko siya type, no?
OMG! Fire!
Ice.
Ay, nakita ulit tayo. It's me, Samantha. Remember? We met last year.
Hi, Samantha.
Tara, dali. Picture tayo. Anyway, anong room mo pala?
Hindi ko pa alam eh.
Just tell me, para puntahan kita. Let's hang out.
We need to talk.
Sure. Samantha, excuse ha. Siya kasi yung boss ko dito eh.
Sumunod ka na lang.
problema ba?
Oo. I'll be honest with you, nadidistract ako sa'yo.
Nadidistract kita?
Not in a romantic way.
Eh ano?
Look, andito ako hindi para makipaglandian, so stop flirting with me. Pwede ba? Huwag mo naman ako inaasar palagi.
Inaasar ba kita? O naiinis ka lang? Dahil kasi halos lahat ng babae dito lumalapit sa akin.
O yan, isa pa yan. Ang kapal mo din eh, no? Feeling mo may gusto ako sa'yo.
Wala nga ba talaga?
Uulitin ko sa'yo, ah. Andito ako para sa youth conference. I'm here to represent and make our school proud. And I want to win. Pero dahil lang naasar ka palagi, nadidistract ako, and I cannot afford to lose.
Okay, I understand. Pero meron akong isang tanong sa'yo.
Ano yan?
Ayaw mo ba talaga sa akin? Gusto ko lang naman kasi malaman kung sino ang type mo. Baka naman kasi type mo ako, nahihiya ka lang.
Ha?
Pag nanalo tayo, sasagutin mo ako.
Ngayon pa lang may sagot na ako para sa'yo. And the answer is no.
You should press your buzzers when you see this green signal behind me. And if you're the first person to press the buzzer, your school's nameplate will light up. So, here's the twist this year. You may opt to answer the question or pass a question to another school. If you know the answer, you say own. But if you want to pass a question to another school, you say pawn. And if you know the answer, you say steal. There are 15 categories covering math, science, history, and current events. Any question? Okay, press your buzzers when you're ready, and good luck. Yeah, St. Bernadette.
On, Holy Cross.
Holy Cross. Mathematics. What is the wind chill temperature if the outside temperature is 5 degrees Fahrenheit and the wind speed is 60 miles per hour? Yes, St. Bernadette.
Still, negative 85 degrees Fahrenheit.
Correct. St. Bernadette. Own or pawn?
Pawn. Divine Light High School.
Divine Light High School. This question's for you. History. What is the name of the atom bomb dropped by USA in Hiroshima, in Japan during the Second World War?
Still, the answer is Little Boy.
That is correct.
Fairness. Dali mo nga.
Hindi ka rin makatulog?
Nananakot ka ba?
Bakit naman kita tatakutin? Eh, ang gusto ko nga, ma-inlove ka sa akin eh.
Wala ka na bang ibang alam gawin kundi biruin ako?
Bakit naman kita bibiruin? Ang ganda dito, no? Nakaka-relax.
Yeah.
Lalo na't nandito ka.
I guess I need to go back to my room.
Teka lang. Dito muna tayo.
Sorry. Ba't tayo mabuksan ng pinto?
Oops. Kailan nga natin?
Ano? What?
I think we're stuck here.
No! Hindi pwede yun! Pag nakita tayo ng mga organizers dito, babawasan nila yung points natin. Pwede matalo sa St. Bernadette. Tulungan mo ako!
Relax ka lang. Akong bahala.
Paano ko marerelax? I need to get out of here! I mean, I wanna get inside! Excuse nga, ako!
Ikaw na ba? Ikaw na ba? Ikaw na ba talaga? Ikaw na ba? Ikaw na ba? Ikaw na ba talaga?
Kung alam mo lang kung paano kita hinanap noon, and now that I found you, I will do everything to make you fall for me.
Wala mo ng boyfriend. You have a bright future ahead of you.
Kahit hindi mo maramdaman, kahit hindi mo makita. Irina, I love you.
Wala akong gusto sa'yo. At kahit kailan, hindi ako magkakagusto sa isang kagaya mo.
Every single day for the past 10 years, ikaw lang minahal ko. Yes, Irina. I was that lost boy.
Ba't ngayon mo lang sinabi? I love you too, John.
Anong kalokohan ito? Get out of my house!
John and I are getting married because I'm pregnant.